Hello students, today we are going to discuss the poetic form of ballad. As you can see on your screen also in the presentation, that ballad is a narrative poem that tells a story. The story generally recounts a historical event or a legend full of heroism, mystery and supernatural elements. Moving on to the next slide. To summarize the characteristics of ballad, we can say that first and foremost, it is a narrative poem where an anonymous speaker is narrating a story of valor or wonder in which he may or may not be involved. Since it is short in length, it focuses upon a single dramatic event. Also, it begins abruptly without any kind of introduction to the characters or the setting. Stanzas are generally very simple in nature and are written in dialogic form. Since the ballads were meant to be sung and passed on orally from one generation to another, a single ballad might have many versions with local variations. Sometimes we also find abrupt transitions between stanzas because with time some stanzas might have been dropped because of their weak nature. Since a ballad is musical in nature, we generally find refrains and incremental repetitions throughout the poem. Now, many ballads have followed a particular stanza form, which has also come to be known as ballad stanza. Now, what is a ballad stanza? A ballad stanza is composed of four lines, wherein the second and the fourth line they rhyme with each other, and also the first and third lines they are a bit longer and have 8 syllables, and the second and fourth lines they have 6 syllables. So this is how we define a ballad stanza. Now we can broadly divide the ballads into two types: the folk or traditional ballad and the literary ballad. Folk or traditional ballad, they were being narrated by generally an anonymous speaker, and they were the tales of bravery and heroism. Now, folk or traditional ballads were being imitated in literary ballad form. Since they exist, the literary ballads, they exist in written form. We do not find any variation in them as opposed to the traditional ballads. Uh, as they are named literary, so these kind of ballads, they are more refined and structured in nature. Some of the very popular ballads in English language are The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. It was written in 1798 by Samuel Taylor Coleridge. We Are Seven. It was written by William Wordsworth. La Belle Dame Sans Mercy. It was written by John Keats in 1819. And Is My Tame Ploying? It was written by A.E. Housman in 1896. So I hope that the students have got a good overview of the poetic form of ballad. We will meet very soon again with another poetic form. Till then, goodbye and have a good day.